pretty summer here, like still 90 degrees out. It's really hot, but I'm starting to gear up because, you know, I moved here from Florida, so I didn't have any cold weather riding gear. So what I did was I got a pair of winter gloves to start. Check these out, KEMIMOTO. I'll have the link down below for you guys, but these are actually pretty sweet. From the reviews I was reading online, they're going to be awesome. I figured I'd show you guys. So these are KEMIMOTO, all weather, wind resistant, rain resistant. They're really nice leather. Got extra grip. I'll get you guys zoomed in on that, but they got this like diamond pattern. It looks really cool. Probably going to get some good grip on that. I've already got this knuckle protection. I'm going to take it for a spin later and show you guys these. Even it's still, like I said, it's still hot out, but I'm pretty excited about these. It's going to extend my riding season. You got the long wrist cover. Beautiful, beautiful leather. Velcro. They fit really nice. They say they're touchscreen friendly. I'm looking forward to checking that out. If you see my other videos, I'm always, you know, beating on the phone because the other gloves I have don't do it. I'm going to take this for a spin later and bring you guys along and check these out. I'm taking for a road test. But those are KEMIMOTOs. Again, link below. Pretty sweet. They have some other good products I'm checking out. But for now, I just wanted to start slowly accumulating that winter gear. I figured I'd start with the gloves. It's a beautiful day today. You'll see, though, I'm putting on my winter riding gloves. Actually, because they just came in the mail today. So I want to check them out and see how they work out. Here we go. I'm taking the Dyna out, trying out my new gloves, my KEMIMOTO winter gloves. Still 95 degrees out here, but I do want to see how they work out. And I got to run the Dyna, so I think are perfect. But they feel great. I can actually tell already my hands are really warm. So these are going to be great. I don't feel any wind. These are goat and cow leather, like a blend. I was looking at the tag a little bit while I was eating lunch for coming out on this ride. So really soft leather. Because they actually look pretty cool too. See that diamond grip I was telling you about? Pretty sweet. There we go. We got this red light here. I'll try out the touchscreen on these fingers, on these gloves. Touchscreen fingers. So let's see here. Let's see if I get a video going. Oh yeah. Well, so far so good. Already better than my other crappy gloves. Yeah. That's starting right up. So success on the touchscreen function. 100% satisfied with the KEMIMOTO winter gloves. Well, once again, like, subscribe. I got the link down below if you're interested in these gloves. KEMIMOTO did reach out to me and see if I would leave a review. So if you be so kind, check them out. Like the video.